very crucial time. In my city, the death rate is going up to the 100 deaths per day. And actually we have 8,000 COVID patients every day. Now it is just yesterday it was reduced by 2,000. The situation is very bad, but it is time for us to make good infrastructure in health, particularly which is the need of our country. We have to formulate one scheme by which we can establish the good health services, not only in the city area, but it is time for us to, we need to take it up to the village level, to availability of oxygen, medicines, and all type of at least preliminary treatment which the people need. It is now we need to find out some way out for that. We have to upgrade our hospitals and our system. But presently, regarding the interaction with you, the Indian economy is the fastest growing economy in the world. And naturally, the dream of our Prime Minister to make India as the economy of $5 trillion, and the Atmanirbhar Bharat is the mission for all of us. In particularly in this direction, this is the time for the country and people like you have to accept the challenge that how we can increase our export and how we are going to reduce our imports. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skilled and successful practices, we name it as a knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. And as far as the Bangalore is concerned, it is the knowledge capital of India. Particularly in the field of IT, our lot of companies are doing excellent performance in the field, and now they are establishing their units in all over the world. It is really one of the pride for all Indians that our IT companies from Bangalore, from Hyderabad, and even from our engineers, software engineers are doing excellent jobs in the whole world. Well, now this is the time for all of us that we have got young talented and engineering manpower highest available in the world. And this is the time that we can make miracles in the whole world. We have got the all potential. And exactly that is the time that the people like you who are particularly from the Bangalore, which is the knowledge capital of India,